Good morning, dear children. First standard English grammar class. Today we are going to see the topic verbs. Verbs. Verbs mean action words. Verb is an action word. What are verbs? Verbs are actions that we do. Now, I will show the action words of few pictures. Jumps, plays, dances, reads. These are action words. See the picture. What he is doing? Very good. He is eating. Here, eat is a verb, action word. What he is doing? He is reading. Here, read is a verb. What she is doing? She is swimming. Here, swim is verb, action word. What he is doing? He is writing. Here, write is verb. Verb is an action word. What she is doing? She is dancing. Here, dance is verb. Verb is an action word. What she is doing? She is drinking. Here, drink is the verb. Verb is an action word. What he is doing? He is running. Run is a verb. Verb is an action word. Baby is laughing. Here, laugh is action words. What she is doing? She is flying. Fly is a verb. What she is doing? She is walking. Walk is a verb. Action words are called verbs. Next, okay students, next take page number 28. Things we do every day. Things we do every day. Every day means present tense. Every day means present tense. What is mean by present tense? A tense expressing an action is currently going on. What is mean by present tense? A tense expressing on action is currently going on. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. First, see the first picture. Plants grow. Plants grow. Here, grow is present verb. Here, grow is present verb. Next, see the second picture. A cow eats grass. A cow eats grass. Here, eats. It is present verb. It is present verb. See the third picture. A baby drinks milk. A baby drinks milk. Here, drinks is verb. Here, drinks is verb. It is present verb. It is present verb. Next, things we are doing now. Things we are doing now. Doing. ing. Doing. This is present continuous tense. This is present continuous tense. What is mean by present continuous tense? Present continuous tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and may continue into the future. It is present continuous tense. See the first picture. Mahima is dancing. Mahima is dancing. Is present. Is dancing. Dancing. ing form. Dancing is ing. So, it is present continuous verb. Mahima is dancing. Is dancing is present continuous verb. See the second picture. The boy is eating a mango. The boy is eating a mango. Is eating. It is present continuous verb. Present continuous verb. See the third picture. The boys are playing. The boys are playing. Here, are playing is present continuous verb. Are playing is present continuous verb. Third one, things we did yesterday. Did yesterday. It is past tense. Did yesterday, past tense. What is mean by past tense? A tense expressing an action has happened. That is past tense. See the first picture. Anshika saw a film. Anshika saw a film. Saw is past tense. Saw is past tense. Saw present is see. Saw present is see. Next, Rishita did her homework. Rishita did her homework. Here, did is past. Here, did is past. I will show a table. First person, second person, third person. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are subject. These are subject. First person singular is I. First person singular is I. First person plural is we. First person plural is we. Second person singular is you. Second person singular is you. Second person plural is you. Second person plural is you. Third person singular is he, she, it. Third person singular is he, she, it. Third person plural is they. Third person plural is they. Third person singular will come he, she, it. We will write in present. In present, does. He, she, it. Third person singular will come does. Does is present. I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they. Will come, we will write do. This is also present tense. This is also present. He, she, it will come, we will write does. It is present. I, we, you, they will come, we will write do. This is also present. Now see here, Rishita did her homework. It is past. It is past verb. So present here, do and does. Do will come, I, we, you, they. Does will come, he, she, it. Did you understand, students? Did is past. Do and does are present. Do and does are present. Third one, Mohit ate an ice cream yesterday. Mohit ate an ice cream. Ate is past. Ate is past. Ate present is eat. Ate present is eat. Okay, students. Now I will show few examples. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Subject and verb. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are subject. Verb. Verb is an action word. Jump, play, dance, read, eat. These are verb. I, we, you, they will come. No need add s or es with verb. No need add with verb s or es. But he, she, it. These are third person singular. These are third person singular will come. We will write with verb s and es. We will add with verb. Third person singular will come s and es. Simple past tense. Next, simple past tense. Subject and verb. These are subject, these are verb. I jumped, we jumped, you jumped, they jumped, he jumped, she jumped. This is same procedure. No need add anything. This is same procedure. Jumped, jumped, played, danced, read. No need add anything. But present, simple present, I, we, you, they will come. No need add with verb anything. But he, she, it, third person singular will come. We will add that verb s and es. Okay students, once again we will recall the lesson. Verb is an action word. For example, jumps, plays, dances, reads. These are present verb. These are present verb. Next, past verb. Jump, jumped, play, played, dance, danced, read, read, eat, ate. These are past verb. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.